Chance here from Off Leash Canine Training in Dayton, Ohio. With me here today is Wren. Wren is a 1-year-old German Shepherd. Easy puppers. Come on, Wren. Hey, Bubbles. So Wren's got a really rough beginning story. He is a rescue. His first original owners that are known of, they kept him in absolutely deplorable conditions. When he was rescued, his ears and the inside were just solid black with dirt and gunk. He had been abused. He had to have easy Wren. He had to have surgeries on his stomach, I think, for being kicked too much. For being in a crate. Hey, easy boy. Easy Wren. Easy. For being in a kennel way too much or too long. His legs did not go easy boy. His legs didn't form properly and stuff. Easy. Let's try to see if I can get this going here so we can get, and you see the stress and anxiety that poor guy's got. He's horrible on the leash. He does know a lot of commands. Come on, Wren. It's okay. It's okay, boy. Easy. It's okay. Easy. He jumps on people a lot. He was constantly jumping on his owners, his stress. He does take off. If he's off leash outside, he goes ballistic when he sees other dogs, and he'll go ballistic when he sees people out and about when he's on the leash. So there's a bit of leash. He seems like a really sweet boy, but a bit of leash aggression to start. We're going to go ahead and get off here so I can deal with him. But check out our Facebook page at Off Leash Canine Training in Dayton, Ohio. You're going to see all the updates and progress over the next 2 weeks. Easy. Until next time, Wren and I will see you guys later. Easy. Easy.